Want to join a Collabathon and start competing for prizes and rewards? Here's how to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through how to join a Collabathon on Feeturre by purchasing a ticket, step by step. First, go to your Feeturre dashboard and click on Collabathons from the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of available Collabathons. Select the one you'd like to participate in. On the event page, take a moment to review the details, including the challenge description, creator, and prize information. Now click on the Join Event or Buy Ticket button. A confirmation window will appear. Check the ticket price, then click Buy and Join now to proceed. Once your purchase is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. You can now access the Collabathon, download assets, and start participating. That's it. You're now ready to join the Collabathon and begin your creative journey on Feeturre.